In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import an Excel file into Microsoft Lists. This tool can greatly enhance your ability to organize and manage data effectively. So, let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step of the process. To begin, you'll need to first open Microsoft Lists. If you're new to this platform, Microsoft Lists is a versatile tool that helps you track and manage information systematically, all within the Microsoft ecosystem. It's similar to Excel, but tailored for list creation and management, making it incredibly useful for many collaborative projects, especially in professional settings. Now, with Microsoft Lists open, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can see existing lists and create new ones. For our purpose today, we're focused on creating a new list, which brings us to the next step. Look for the option that says Create a New List. Upon clicking this option, Microsoft Lists will prompt you with several choices. One convenient feature is the ability to import a file directly from Excel. This can be done from two possible locations, either from your OneDrive if your file is stored in the cloud, or directly from your device if you have the file locally stored. Choose the option that suits your situation best. Next, you'll press the Next button. This action brings you to a new screen where you're asked to select the exact table from your Excel file that you wish to import. If your Excel document contains multiple sheets or tables, take a moment to decide which section of data you want to include in your new list. Once you've selected the desired table, you'll click Next again. Now you're almost at the finish line. The next step involves naming your new list. Think about a name that clearly represents the contents or purpose of your list. A good tip here is to make it descriptive but concise. Input your chosen name in the designated field and proceed to press Next for the last time. And just like that, you're done. What you've just done is successfully imported an Excel file into Microsoft Lists, where you can now view, edit, and manage your data in a more streamlined and collaborative environment. It's a straightforward process that can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you're handling large data sets or need to share this information with a team. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. With these steps, you can easily integrate data from Excel into Microsoft Lists, leveraging the best of both platforms. Do explore the additional features offered by Microsoft Lists to further optimize your data management tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.